gonna install a fish tank. This one.
Bigger stuff.
I think this is food. So we have instructions and rinse. I'm not going to. Okay, I'm gonna rinse everything, and then there's pieces in the picture that don't exist in the box. And hope breaking it, which I think I just did. I literally think I just broke it. So here we go.
Fish are destined to die.
I'm so sad. Okay, so I think we should say.
Yeah, I hope you find where you're swimming to.
Bye.
Bye.
We love you.
Look at him. Would you know my name? I'm done.
Let's get kitties next.
Okay.
We're gonna hide in the front. DJ.
Oh shit. We have. The fuck is this? Our frogs. Really cute though.
It is pretty cute.
I'm pretty.
You should fill it with water now.
You make the rain fall, 'cause you're so beautiful that it's painful. Yeah, you told me that you were an angel, but I already know what you came for. You make the rain fall. Well, your eyes are so deceiving, deadly as a loaded gun.
It's fine. Read the depth. Wow, aesthetic tips. Dry your hands on your sweater, which I have on, and then
Whatever.
okay. So we're supposed to let it run
I think that's enough water, don't you?
for a week. We decided that that was too long.
That's a long time.
So we have instructions. Blah blah blah.
Read the actual.
What the fuck is that? So this is what we've done. That we've guessed. We have Dora and a Buddha, a rock castle ruin,
We have a lotus
a
flower
lotus,
and a plant.
and another plant, which are at the
It's a
back
Christmas plant.
to add depth.
Hello.
And I didn't rinse the filter. Food
To let bacteria develop.
in the
There's definitely some bacteria.
definitely bacteria in there from not rinsing. That. I put in more than a few flakes. And stir it. That will help.
My body rocks a rhythm. You beat my drum hard. I might just kick it. You wanna lick it. I love to stick it. From London to LA. Yeah, that's it.
This is now. It says, introducing first fish. And let them sit in the aquarium for 20 minutes.
Each fish.
Each bag. 10 minutes and repeat. And they're still in the bag. Leave them undisturbed for a full 24 hours before giving any food.
We only get to
Fuck
add fish.
that.
We're adding all the.
Let's just...
We're never gonna be allowed to be foster parents to real things.
No.
You want to just dump them right in and see what happens? Okay. Nothing we're doing right now is right.
Fuck that. Alcohol?
Okay.
The next step in fish rehabilitating mimosas.
Safeway brand. Use the highest quality of juice possible.
And it's good. You might be able to open your champagne. Oh my god, I got it!
That was really.
Thanks for all the manly help. That happened. We decided to store our fish on the stove. Is what she's been living in. We're deciding what fish to put in first. Start with just 1 or 2 hardy fish, which would be
She's pretty hardy.
very hardy. Do we want her to die first?
No, but
Let's just... And then the idiots are going to go in first.
excuse me.
Tiny cup.
You make the rain fall, 'cause you're so beautiful that it's painful. Yeah, you told me that you were an angel, but I
Right? Swim!
If they just immediately die.
We have idiots in their tank. Is it scary?
They're dirty.
Oh, fuck, 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 fuck. They haven't died. One of our fish has died
Sucks.
already. So that's good. Now, I don't know what to do now.
Let's give them 5 minutes,
We're gonna give them 5 minutes.
and then we'll add Jenner. Eventually, the water.
The lighter one is Lennox, and the darker one is Bowie. As in David Bowie and Annie Lennox. I hope they don't die.
So this is where we introduce Jim. That was really easy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Gypsy! So she's in.
Oh, she's so culture shocked
She
right
doesn't
now.
know what. So pissed.
Gypsy, you little bitch.
She just leave
She's
Lennox
opening her
alone.
mouth, but she's like, I'm gonna eat those little motherfuckers. I love that she flashed her gills at them though. She's like, motherfucker.
This is my tank.
You know that all baby.
We're gonna edit this. You're never gonna see that.
Never.
It's fine.
She goes to bite.
Oh my god, one's dead.
Oh.
It's dead. Don't. Motherfucker. Don't care enough. Do you care enough? Only $4. I spend more on alcohol that I puke out the hour after. That was the best $453.
Little fish, where did you swim to? I'm done.
We could have bought a shooter with it, but we decided. Anyway, okay, back to where we were.
To 453.
To 453.
Frogs.
What do we name him? We need to name him before we.
What's
He's lonely. Who's alone?
Jennifer Aniston's pretty lonely. I think it just became Jennifer Aniston.
The lonely surviving fish.
Who's really Jennifer Aniston seems pretty lonely. Jennifer Aniston.
Jennifer, full name.
Barbara Streisand.
I don't. And nothing we're doing is right, so it's not. It's not like we're gonna make the wrong. Let's get kitties next.
Okay,
Okay, so frogs.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
Okay, so glitter and sparkle have been immersed. Nail is fucked up.
That one in front is not happy.
Do you want me to just put this nail in? I'm just gonna drink. I know that we look like bad parents.
water, but you can't make him open the bottle.
I haven't done anything according to any of the instructions or guidebooks. Fuck that. I feel like it'll be okay. Fish live in water. And there's water in the tank. Therefore, they'll be fine. Right? You think it's right? I think it's right. Is it bad to turn the light on?
Now I had the time of my life. No, I've never felt like this before. 'Cause I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you.